hiking out in Concord today. I'll be coming up to Walden Pond soon, so we'll get to see the railroad tracks. That'll be cool. It's almost like a poem out here, kind of coming up into this grove. I'm wondering if it's a kettle hole? I don't know. Oops. There's the train tracks in Walden Pond just on the other side. We're heading in that direction. Ooh, I can see it's still iced over. I wonder if Thoreau planted all these amazing pines towards the train tracks in the pond. And we've crossed! Ta-da! Yikes! Alright, let's go see what's down here. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm on Walden Pond. There's somebody's snowman. This is wild. So I was going to just kind of go on some trails around the end of Walden Pond. Since it's frozen still, I think I might just walk on it all the way around. This is so cool. There's people ice skating and ice fishing and chilling out. I'm coming up onto Emerson's Cliff, this little bluff looking thing that looks out over Walden Pond. And I had just a really great time over at the pond. I was delighted to find it frozen solid, and I'm enjoying the snow hike. And now that I've made it up to this point, I'm just going to retrace my steps, go back over the railroad tracks, and get to my car before dark. So thanks for joining me on the snow sounds, the winter sounds, winter at Walden.